Hey, what's up guys? It's Casey with iTracker360 and I'm making a quick video to show you how to add the tracking code to your Shopify site. So first thing you need to do is grab your iTracker360 JavaScript tracking code and you'll see it right here. Just copy it to the clipboard. And then what I'm going to show you, here's my Shopify site. It's real basic. I just signed it up. So I'm going to inspect the page and show you if the iTracker code is or is not loading. So I'm going to type in iTracker360 right here. It is case sensitive, so it has to be spelled exactly like that. It says it's not defined, so the tracking code is not being loaded. To load it, you just have to add the tracking code. So if you're using Google Tag Manager or something like that, by all means use that. If you're not, you can go into Shopify and add it, and I'll show you that right now. So I'm going to go into my online store, go to themes, and then edit the code of your active theme. And there is a file called theme.liquid that I'm going to modify. And I'm going to find the closing head tag where it says /head. It's right before the body, but it's the closing head tag. There's some other scripts loading, so I'll just go ahead and put the tracking code right here. So I just pasted that in right there. So just right before the closing head is fine. I'm going to save this file and let's refresh the Shopify site and let's see if the tracking code is now being loaded. So we got a response back. That is loading now, so that's good. So there's one other thing we need to do. Because this tracking code will not load on the checkout page, there's an extra step. So go to your settings in Shopify, go to checkout, and scroll down to additional scripts. We're going to have to add the tracking code along with one other thing. So here's the tracking code that I pasted in, and there's a hidden input field. So it says input type is hidden, and it's an email field, and the value is going to be the customer email, what they use during checkout. So iTracker does work off, customer emails, and we're going to sync this tracking data with whoever is in Infusionsoft with this email address. So you have to create the contact record inside Infusionsoft using whatever integration you want to use, and then when the iTracker code loads, we'll be able to read the customer email address from the checkout thank you page, and we'll be able to sync tracking data. So I'm just going to save that. Now, I already showed the tracking code being loaded on the Shopify site. And what I did is I submitted an order already. And let me just show you the source code of this order. And I used it with my Casey at iTracker360.com. That was my customer email address. So here's the tracking code that's being loaded. And then here's that hidden email field. And iTracker will basically capture that and sync the tracking data with the new contact whenever they reach the thank you page. That's when we'll collect the tracking data in their email and sync it. Anyways, so two things that you have to do: add this code to the additional scripts, and then add the tracking snippet in your theme.liquid file, and that should take care of it for Shopify.